Do you want to grow hundreds of plants but only have a tiny space? And more importantly, do you want to do it without spending a fortune on high-tech equipment? Welcome to the A-Frame Hydroponic System, the most efficient, space-saving, and budget-friendly DIY setup for any urban farmer. Today, I'm giving you a blueprint to build your own vertical farm for a fraction of the commercial cost. Whether it's for your own kitchen or a small local business, this is the ultimate game changer. Let's get building. Why is the A-frame design so popular? It's all about physics. By building in an A shape, you use both sides of the structure to double your growing capacity in the same square footage. Unlike flat systems, the A-frame ensures every single plant gets maximum sunlight as the sun moves across the sky. It's a vertical skyscraper for your vegetables that ensures zero wasted space and maximum growth speed. To keep this build cheap, we're using basic materials from any hardware store. You will need 4-inch PVC pipes for the channels, 2x4 lumber for the frame, a small submersible water pump, and a 20-gallon plastic bin for the reservoir. Don't forget the plastic net pots. Total cost is often less than $100 if you shop smart, a tiny investment for a system that can feed you for years. Construction is simple. First, build your sturdy A-frame stand. Second, drill holes in your PVC pipes every 8 inches for the plants. Third, mount the pipes onto the frame with a slight tilt. Gravity will help the water flow downward. Finally, connect your plumbing. The pump pushes water to the top, which trickles down through each level, bathing the roots in nutrients before returning to the reservoir. It's a closed-loop system using 90% less water than soil. Once your system is running, it's time to think about profit. An A-frame like this can hold up to 100 plants in just 20 square feet. By growing high-value crops like basil or gourmet lettuce, you can harvest every few weeks. Start by selling to neighbors or local cafes. Since your greens are pesticide-free, you can charge a premium. 1 A-frame is a hobby. 10 in your backyard is a full-time business. Building your own A-frame hydroponic system is the smartest way to take control of your food and your finances. It's cheap, it's fun, and it works. Are you going to build your frame out of wood or PVC? Let me know your plan in the comments below. I've put a detailed parts list and measurement guide in the description to help you get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more DIY wealth building ideas. See you in the next one.